Here's a look at the eMini S&P for Monday, October the 19th. This video here is just a short video. The one, of course, we post on our members website usually runs 15 or 20 minutes with a lot more detail. But with this short video, we can take a look at what we perceive to be some good support and resistance areas and the overall condition of the market. And so what we're looking at here to begin with are the market profiles. And we have the market profile. This market profile here is from the overnight session. So because today was Monday, it started at 6 p.m. Eastern Time yesterday and ran through until 9:30 this morning. This profile here is what we call the regular trading hours, and it includes a lettered market profile here as well as a volume market profile. So we like to use this tool to get a good read on the condition of the market and where these support and resistance areas lie. We also like to take a look at just the regular trading hours as well in our analysis of the market. And so we combine that with our look at our short time frame 1 minute chart, which is an add-on for Ninja and for TradeStation. And it takes a look at the market in a much shorter time frame, obviously, to try and identify precise trade setups and triggers. And so what we had here today for our trades were the following. We actually had a short trade. You can see there's some symbols on some of these bars here, like this bar here, this bar here, this bar here, diamonds and triangles. So we were short here. Unfortunately, we're stopped out for 5 ticks on that trade. So the first trade here we had today, unfortunately, was a loser. We then had another trade, a long trade in here, which worked out great. Held that right through until here, exited here, and so we're able to make easily reaching our first 2 objectives, which is 3/4 of a point and a point and a half. And then exited the final partial position for 3.5 points on that trade. We also had another long trade here just in case some of those people didn't get in on the first one. We actually had another trade here. Would not be recorded on our website because we were already long from this trade here. So we ended up with just 2 trades today, and that was it. We had, as you can see, the market continued up and then mostly sideways for the rest of the day, other than this late pullback. So we are looking around the 89 area, as low as 87 actually, in this area in here for support, and obviously today's high as immediate resistance. We had mentioned before, or I should say on Friday, to look around the 1077 area for potential support. Well, overnight the market reached 76.25, so just dipped into it a little bit and then had a good turnaround and a run higher today. And so this is where we're really anticipating some support to come in overnight, and we're monitoring this the day's high today as potential resistance. If the market can hold above there, then it's good to go. I mean, then we could have another leg up, and that's certainly a possibility the way the market has been acting. As a matter of fact, I'm recording this about an hour after the markets closed on Monday, and already the market has traded up to 1096. So already it's rallied from the low down here up to 1076.25, 1076.50. So this area in here where it had that quick sell-off, that could just be an attempt for the market to dip down to find some more buyers before it has another leg up. So that's really what we're looking at here, but we want to monitor today's high, see if the market can get above there, and in around here is support. Actually, the support could actually come in anywhere from 87 and 90. So that whole area is support, as I've got labeled right here, support, and immediate resistance up here at the high of the day. So above and beyond that, the market could have some pretty good moves, with the next support coming down at today's low here. So any questions or comments, just get a hold of us at info@eMiniDayTrader.com, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. You can take a look at the software or answer any of the questions that you might have. So thanks for taking the time to view this, and we'll see you tomorrow.